This is how my daughter currently organizes her shoes. And as you can clearly see, it's a hot mess. This, however, is going to be an excellent solution, and I have no doubt. This thing, it was packaged extremely well. Thank you guys for sending this to us. I'm really excited to put this together. I've done a lot of different shoe boxes before, but this one is really cool because it all comes put together all in one piece. Came very packaged well with this. I was all the drawers also there that are magnets there. This thing is going to be a little under 3 feet wide by 13.4 inches deep, so it'll actually hold up to size 12 men's shoes. So it should be great for her. And then it's a little over 54 inches high, which is kind of amazing because this is all compact down like this. So when it comes, you just are going to take it and expand it out like that. Super easy. We're going to take these pieces here, snap them into place, snap those pieces down, and get everything just locked in. Once those sides are pushed out into place, you're just going to push them together, and they'll snap all together like that, performing a nice, solid, rigid piece. So we've got this up. I've gone ahead and taken this packet that came with here. It has the additional straps that you can use to strap this to the wall, along with any additional pieces that it has. Mainly, it comes in this packet are these pins. These are what's going to hold these drawers on here. It also has some nice label stickers and, of course, the instructions and everything with there. What you're going to do is take these nicely bubble wrapped shelves, undo those, and you're going to insert them where they go. So we're going to get a couple of these shelves lined up and insert these locking pins. I'm going to insert this if you come in close here. It actually just goes through the one shelf, down into the hole, and down into the bottom shelf. That will then lock this shelf into place, or this door into place, so that the door will now go closed. Easily closes like that. Nice magnetic closure, nice clear front, allows access to see what's inside. Let's get some shoes. We'll put them in here and kind of show you what all this shelf is capable of holding. So also in this package, they give you these, which allow you to number 1 through 8. It's my container. Kind of give it a nice little decorative thing. You can put that on there. You can stick these on there exactly anywhere that you're wanting to put those. And you also got their individual labels that can fill these spaces here. If you're wanting to put those on, that's the brand label. There that just fills in that nice gap in the middle there, which that has this adhesive back on that. Of course, you do have your straps that can strap up to hold this to the wall. This is pretty sturdy. I'm not sure that you need it. You may decide you want to use it if you're going to get more than one of these and actually stack them on top of each other, because you can do that. It does have these additional security pieces here that if you're not going to be stacking them, you can just insert those in the provided holes here and snap them down. As such, finishes it out. If you're going to stack another cabinet on top, I believe that locks into locking another cabinet in which case these would probably be necessary to help hold that up. He did come with some extra pins, as well as some extra additional little creative, little stickers that you can put on this as well to try to make sure that people can't get in there, I guess. You've got your shoes. Any way that you're wanting to put these in there. These are some size 12s and we've got some size 10s. So a couple of neat things. You've actually got your shoes you can put in here like that so that you can see them, of course. If you've got some shoes that you're wanting to display, you actually can even put them in there sideways so that you can show a nice display of your shoes if you're wanting to actually see the side of the shoes while it's in there. Down here at the bottom, that bigger section allows you to go ahead and put some bigger things, like if you've got some rain boots, things like that that you're wanting to have, or some higher heels that you don't fit up in there and you're wanting to be able to see those, you can easily put those in there. That would actually hold a couple pair in there, and that will magnet closure there. But yeah, you can easily get in here and put a couple pairs, it looks like, in here too, which is great because if you got a lot of shoes, you can certainly take advantage and be able to put them in there and see everything that you've got in a nice, convenient location. Really a great quality shoe rack, really impressed with it. It seems to be built very well and was very easy to put together.